Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello everyone, this question is regarding about cocaine. In this question they have asked that whether cocaine is polar molecule is non-polar molecule. For that answer is cocaine is polar molecule. It is polar molecule. And second question they have asked that we have to explain boiling point and melting point of cocaine with help of their intermolecular forces. So in cocaine there are three intermolecular forces exist. One is dipole interaction, dipole interaction, and second one is hydrogen bonding, and third force is London dispersion force. These three forces present in our cocaine. So due to the dipole interaction, what happens? So here permanent dipole moment exists. As a result of this, melting point and boiling point increases. So in case of hydrogen bonding also, here melting point and boiling point of cocaine is going to be increases. And third one is London dispersion force is there. Here also what happens? The melting point and boiling point of cocaine is going to increase. As a result of this, net melting point, and boiling point of cocaine is very high. Why? Because there are three intermolecular forces present. One is dipole interaction, another one is hydrogen bonding, and third one is London dispersion force. All these forces are contribute to melting point and boiling point. That is why the melting point and boiling point of cocaine is very high. So in this main question they have asked another one question. So here we are going to write geometry and hybridization of any 5 atoms, central atoms present in cocaine. So now I am going to give a name for this carbon is A, this is B carbon, and this is C, and here nitrogen is D, and here this carbon is E. So now let me consider first carbon, that is A carbon. The carbon here, the hybridization of carbon is here, A carbon hybridization is sp2 hybridization, and geometry is trigonal planar. This is A, this is for 8th carbon. And now let us look at B carbon. For B carbon, the hybridization is sp3 hybridization, and geometry is tetrahedral. And now look at C carbon. Also it is sp2 hybridization, and geometry is trigonal planar. And now look at D, that is nitrogen. In case of nitrogen, the hybridization is sp3 hybridization, and geometry is pyramidal shape. And eighth carbon, here we have another carbon, it is E carbon. So for that hybridization is sp3, and its geometry is tetrahedral. This is all about this question. Hope you found the video useful to you. Thank you.